In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a VWAP indicator in TradingView. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to indicators up top and you want to search for VWAP. As you can see here, this is going to be your VWAP. So we have the volume weighted average price over here under technicals. You can simply click on it and it's going to get added onto your chart just like this. Now, of course, there's a bunch of different ones over here. There's some by Lux Algo. There's some from community over here. So you could go and explore these by clicking on them, and of course you'll be able to see them on your chart just like this. And if any of these of course float your boat, you could just use them if you want to. You of course can do that on TradingView, but of course whenever you found one you want to use, this is essentially how to do it. You can see it here on the chart. You can go and analyze it. You can do some chart analysis. You could basically use it however you want, and then you can go to top left where you can see the VWAP and go to the settings button where you can change the inputs, style, visibility, etc. to personalize it and make it your own. Okay, so that's how to use the VWAP indicator in TradingView. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.